Hey fam, how's everybody feeling? Everybody doing good? Well, as you can see behind me, and there's some stuff on the way back there and back over there. Grocery haul time. So here is the importance of going through your freezer, refrigerator, and your cupboards. My deep freezer is pretty much empty now because it expired. It went bad. It got freezer burned. So shame on me. Ignore my sweating. It's very hot. I just got in. It's retardedly hot outside. When I have to wear a mask, it's horrible. Makes it worse. There's some more stuff. Got all kinds of goodies to tell y'all about. So without further ado, here we go. So I went to Sam's Club and GFS Gordon Food Service. This is all the stuff that I got from Sam's Club. Starting off with the Montreal steak seasoning because I was out. Seasoned salt. No, it's not Lawry's, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Apple juice. Kiddos needed apple juice for breakfast. I picked up the Artisanal bakery bread, Sara Lee, the giant Schweibel's twin pack, because I do pack them lunches. They eat sandwiches from time to time. We also have the, I believe this is the kiwi strawberry snapple. This comes from Gordon Food Service. I also got another 72 K-Cup pods with all of the different flavors in it. The only ones that I really drink are the breakfast blend and the donut shop. Everybody else drinks this best. My husband likes this. The kids like that more than anybody else. That's some fucking vanilla caramel. And we have on the border Mexican grilled cafe style queso and jalapeno ranch. You really want to make some bomb nachos or some bomb tacos, use that. We get the Oreo Brownies again. Different packaging, but it's still the same. This is freshly. I got 2 of those. Then I also picked up a thing of croissant. It's 12 count. This I'm going to use for the kids' lunches tomorrow. I'm gonna make them chicken salad sandwiches. I also got a 16 count Mission flour tortilla burritos. This I want to use for making quesadillas one night. We also have the white meat chicken nuggets from Tyson. My kids like these ones because they're retardedly huge. Those nuggets are like this big and they get full. The honey barbecue boneless chicken bites. Those are this big too. So it's like you get a lot in there for what you pay, and it fills up the kids. We also got the peanut butter and jelly Uncrustables. You know, we always got to have those. Oh, down here on the floor we got the 24 pack of the Sunny Delight. That's also a staple in my house for breakfast. Snack time mix. Hey, look who's home. Hi. They just walked up the hill from the bus stop and they are exhausted.
I'm thirsty. It is hot.
I know it's hot.
Outside, Mom.
Don't you see groceries?
I'm just Let me
get a water. You just walked up the hill. Get a water.
I drank a water.
I ain't getting no Mountain Dew.
You just walked in the door. Get a water.
Okay, I'll get
a water.
Get a Mountain
After
Dew.
you get water, then you can have Mountain Dew.
Can I get this?
Water.
Bro, hey man, don't be slamming stuff, man.
Ah!
Hand me a water, please.
Hey guys,
Can you hurry?
School.
You're moving so slow.
Give one to Nia.
School was you feel me?
School was I
am now an artist. Get your own book. I am an artist.
Get a bottle of water.
Bro, she's in my what?
Get a bottle of water.
What are you doing?
I thought you left.
My Snapple, I put it on the table and then I looked and it was in the garbage.
Oh, that little piece of water Snapple that wet up my entire table?
Oh, it was gonna be bussin'.
Oh. Can I get back to what I was doing, or do we have anything else exciting to talk about?
Let me see.
Threw up in the hallway, right in front of my locker.
They was throwing Takis to the dog on the bus. They was throwing Takis out the window to the dog, and it was barking at it. Like what?
Fatherless behavior right there. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Don't say that, Nia.
I don't care.
You know, today was all right. I didn't get to finish my Mountain Dew at lunch, Because I was busy eating my delicioso salad.
Oh, you like the salad?
Yeah, and I
It
walked
was
away from the
amazing.
table for 2 seconds, and then where's my Mountain Dew at? In some dude's hand. So you know what I did? I snatched it. And I opened it, and it was shooken up. So they set me up right there, y'all. That makes me feel terrible.
Why did you walk away from your food without taking it with you?
Because I wasn't going to be gone for like long.
Nah, you know these kids snakes.
You can't be walking away from your food.
Not
at lunchtime.
Steal my food.
I walked
They're
away
gonna
from
steal
my
food.
food.
That's how you know they fat. Watch your kids, man. Watch your kids.
So, for lunch, so after I finished eating my delicious salad,
He got like 3 lunches.
yeah, so after that,
Why are you getting lunches? I'm not paying for that.
they don't,
You don't have to pay
You don't
for
have
it.
to pay
It's
for
all
it.
free.
it's all
No, lunch is not free.
They
What?
don't make us pay for them.
We didn't have lunch at the end of the year last year, did we?
Mom, it's lunch.
No,
Lunch is
you get one lunch that's free.
Yeah, I don't, no.
But if you go back for any
I was getting
more,
extras from them. I was getting extras from people at my table.
why are you eating so much? You can't be that hungry.
Tomato.
No, after I ate my lunch, you know, I didn't eat like the whole things on their plate. I ate the specific like item, which was a pretzel with pizza sauce and cheese on it, and the other item was a little mini.
But the
slice
salad I
of
made you should have been very filling.
It was. That's why I
I'm a
couldn't
big
finish my
kid,
Mountain
Mom.
Dew.
I'm just a big high school kid. I'm
You're
just
big?
I'm built different.
Come on, yours is very
I'm
small.
built different.
Guys, this is a fun fact. Okay, Taiwan has friends, guys. Like, oh
That's
my
You
crazy.
god.
call me a gangbanger for
That
having
is
friends at this
For
school.
real, like his friends are so black. Like, oh my gosh, he's a gangbanger. Don't.
We're in a predominantly black school. How in the world?
No, it's 100% white.
That's a lie. There are like 5 white people.
5 black people there.
5
See,
black
guys?
people.
I said
5 black people, and then the rest of
That's it, folks. He just called his own sip with a white
Keelan and
tag.
Judah, Keelan and Judah, come here.
All right, I have snack time mix. It has Doritos, Cheetos, sour cream and onions, the mini grandma sandwiches, the chewy granola bars. I think this one
Chocolate
is.
chip and s'mores.
This is chocolate chip and s'mores, and these are the Munchies peanut butters. So I bought 2 of these because I figured when I do their sandwiches, I could just pull from this box, and they can get the cookie, the chips, and some type of this. And that'll go with the sandwich that I make for them.
Oh yeah, baby.
Also, we have a Mountain Dew case of Mountain Dew. We also have a case of Pepsi. And this is I got from GFS. It's the Ragu spaghetti sauce. I gotta go to the store and get some more ground meat because that expired too today. I also got this farm-raised black tiger shrimp with cooked tail on, peeled and deveined for when I make my shrimp and grits. This smoked sausage I picked up for a dinner idea that I got off of another YouTube mama. I think of nacho cheese dip singles. I was thinking I'd give this a try. Maybe it would help speed up the process when I'm making nachos and stuff like that. I also got the double stuffed pepperoni rolls, pepperoni and mozzarella, pepperoni pepper jack, and this one I believe is the sausage. Yeah, this is the sausage and pepperoni. These are for my husband for his work. He takes those for lunch when I don't have anything cooked for him. I also got the cubed Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers, Colby Monterey Jack cheese, and cheddar cheese to make my own version of adult Lunchables for the kids for school. I also got them string cheese, mozzarella, because they like string cheese. Now we're going to go over here. I got 2 jars of Hellmann's mayonnaise because we go through mayonnaise like nobody's business. Also, I got some fully cooked bacon because I was just a little tired of cooking bacon and I needed it for a recipe. I also got a can of sliced olives, or these whole olives. Oh, they're whole. I have to cut them. I didn't want these. I wanted the sliced ones. Oh, God. 2 things of Daisy sour cream. And da-da-da-da, Chick-fil-A sauce.
Let's go!
They actually had it at Gordon's Food Service, so I got 2 of those. And I got me 2 more of the Polynesian Chick-fil-A sauce. For those of you that don't know, I do not like chicken. I hate chicken with a passion. But I will eat Chick-fil-A. That's about the only chicken I will eat. But since I don't always want to have to recreate their sauce, because it's a daunting task to recreate the sauce, I found it and I bought it and I like it. And I actually like this because I like sweet stuff. I like, not sweet stuff, but I like sweet sauce. You know. I can't have too much sweet stuff though because I'm a diabetic. I also bought 3 boxes of the king size pouches. I got a 32 pack of Hostess donuts, the chocolate and the powdered. The chocolate will go faster than the powdered. I also got a box of Ho-Hos. The kids really like Ho-Hos. I got a box of, a container of ketchup. I found Lunchables, finally. So I got the ham and cheddar. And these are the, what is this, turkey and American. Cheese, I got 3 of those. You get 3 of each flavor and 6 in a pack. So 6 times 3 is 18. I got 18 of those. I also got the cheese pizza and the pepperoni pizza ones. Same thing, 3 of those, 6 in a pack. That's 18. So I got all of that. And we're good. So that's it for my haul. Now you know what it is. Time to put it all away.